Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so we've got pan heating up on a high heat, and then I'm just going to get my cauliflower straight in. This is from frozen, and I don't bother with oil because the moisture from the cauliflower will stop it from sticking. And essentially we just want to cook it until it's not frozen anymore. Beautiful. Oh, and that was about 200 grams, so 7 ounces of cauliflower, but just whatever is good. Awesome. And then I'm going to get my protein in, so I'm using just some canned red salmon, which doesn't ever look the greatest, but it does the job. It's very convenient. We'll just mush it up to make it look a bit more attractive. Of these seaweed snacks, I'm just going to tear them so they're a bit easier to eat with my chopsticks. So we'll put them in on the side there using fingers. Okay, and then we want to get fancy with our mayonnaise, as they do this in Japan all the time. So nice drizzle. Of course, you could just put a dollop on top as well. And then I'm going to finish it off with this furikake seasoning, which is a Japanese sprinkler. It's mostly sesame seeds, black and white, and then it's got some nori flakes, some Szechuan peppercorns, and a bit of salt. So I'm just going to sprinkle this over. If you didn't have furikake in your house, you should definitely remedy that situation because it's super delicious. But what you can do instead is just use sesame seeds and some salt, and it'll still be delicious. Okay, and then lunch is ready. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.